Hello traders, welcome to this video on the patterns on chart indicator for MT5. In this video, we'll look at how this indicator detects and annotates classical chart patterns on the MT5 chart and what each patterns imply. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL imports and let's proceed. Now, just from loading it up, we have gotten an alert for a bullish hammer candle pattern. Now, if I adjust it, when we look over to the top right hand corner, top left hand corner, to be precise, you can see the bearish candle and the keywords for each of them. We have dark cloud pattern, DCC, SE, bearish engulfing pattern, HMR for bullish, for a bullish hammer, morning star, morning doji star, among others. Now the patterns on chart indicator scans the MT5 price chart and automatically identifies classical chart patterns such as shooting star, evening star, bullish hammer, morning star, morning doji star, evening doji star, and bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. The pattern outline draws the structural boundaries of the formation, making it immediately readable. As we can see on the chart, each pattern type carries its own implication, either bullish or bearish formation, candlestick formation, or candlestick pattern. This annotation allows traders to identify these structures at a glance without manual analysis. And if we move over to its settings, we can see show alert, which popped up immediately we loaded the indicator. We have display shoot star 2, shoot star alert, hammer alert, hammer display doji, and we have the other candlestick pattern, and we can decide whether to turn it on or off in the indicator. Can also change the color for the information. Now they're giving us an alert for a bullish hammer third in H1, and that is the current candlestick pattern, as we can see here. Now, who is this indicator for? This indicator suits technical traders and pattern-based analysis using MT5, the visual detection tool only, and does not execute trades. Automated pattern detection may differ from manual pattern analysis, so it's always worth confirming from volume, momentum, and price context. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools such as this, and don't forget to turn on notifications after you subscribe. Thank you.